Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into something essential for RV owners: screen clips.
Specifically, we're looking at the Primeline L5638 5x16-inch diecast screen clip. Stay tuned to find out why these might just be the best RV screen clips out there.
These screen clips are designed to secure your window screens or storm panels firmly in place.
Made from durable die-cast zinc with a sleek black finish, they not only look good but are built to last. Each pack includes 12 clips along with number 1024 Phillips panhead machine screws for easy installation. What sets these apart is their 5x16-inch size, which is ideal for most standard RV screen frames.
The die-cast construction ensures sturdiness and longevity, while the black finish adds a touch of elegance. Installing these clips is a breeze. Simply refer to the included line art drawing for dimensions and match them to your existing clips.
Use the provided screws to secure them in place, and you're good to go. No need for complex tools or extensive DIY skills.
Now, let's compare these to other options on the market. Unlike flimsy or plastic clips, these die-cast zinc ones offer superior durability and strength.
They're designed to withstand the rigors of travel and the elements, making them perfect for RV enthusiasts who want reliability.
Users rave about the ease of installation and the value for money these clips provide.
They hold screens securely without rusting or warping over time, thanks to their UV-resistant properties. Whether you're replacing old clips or upgrading for peace of mind, these are a solid choice. In conclusion, the Primeline L5638 5x16-inch die-cast screen clips are a standout option for anyone looking to maintain their RV's screens with quality hardware. Their robust build, ease of installation, and positive user feedback make them our top pick in the RV accessory category. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques like this one.
Drop a comment below if you've used these clips or if you have any questions.
Until next time, happy travels and stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews you can trust.